Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious juice that can help to increase or boost the hemoglobin level or blood flow. It is a requested video, but I hope you will also find this useful. You can share this to your friends or loved ones who are suffering from iron deficiency or anemia. Let's get started. For this, I'll be using some beetroots. Eating or juicing beetroot is one of the best ways to increase your hemoglobin levels or blood flow. It is a good source of iron, folic acid, potassium, and fiber. And I'll be mixing the beetroots with these carrots and apples. Carrots and apples are also good and rich in iron, so they also help in increasing the blood count. I've already washed and peeled off the skin of the beetroot off camera, so I'll go ahead and cut them or slice them into pieces so that it can fit into my juicer because I'm going to juice them. Next, I'll add them into my juicer and juice. After juicing the beetroot, I will also juice the carrots and the apples. You can also do this with your blender. I have a video of how to make beetroot and carrot juice with blender. I'll leave the video link in my description box below, so you can check that out if you need how to do it with a blender. Thank you. I'm done juicing the carrots and the apples and the beetroot. Next, I'm going to add dates. I made some date syrup. I have a video of that also in my video. You can check it out. I'm not adding the dates just to sweeten the juice, but because it's also a good source of iron that can help to increase the hemoglobin levels in the blood. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye. Oh, and also drink this at least a cup every day, and you will see increase in your blood level or count in case you are having low blood count. Thank you all. Bye.